What's the matter? Do you not like it on your fingers?
I like it off there.
You want it off there?
Yeah, I need a towel.
Well, are you going to squish some more through your fingers? Are you done already?
No, I can't.
Squish it some more.
Find a squish.
I get it on my hands.
Do you like it on your fingers?
I get it all the way up.
Is that fun?
I squish it out of my hands. I can put the lid on there.
What are you doing?
Hey. I can't get off there.
Well, why do you want it off?
Oh, my toys. My skateboard? Where's my Mickey Mouse?
I don't know. Is your Mickey Mouse in there somewhere? Is that your Mickey Mouse?
Nana, wanna get him a whipped cream?
It's not whipped cream. It's shaving cream.
Wanna get off there on him and hug him?
You want to hug him?
You can.
I don't want to hug him.
You can get all shaving cream off.
What color is your shaving cream?
White?
Did we put colors in your shaving cream?
I can find it. We can. Looks like a cave.
Does that look like a cave? Can you pile the shaving cream on top of itself? Can you... What can you do with that shaving cream?
It's sliding. It's poking my cave.
Is this fun? Is this a good game? Here, bring it over this way just a little.
Nana, wanna get off there?
No, you get it off there.
I can't get off there.
Well, when you're done playing, we'll wash it off there, okay?
I'm done. We can watch it.
You don't like the shaving cream?
You can wash the shaving cream off.
Okay, I will. But are you done playing with the shaving?